Hi, I'm Megan with Jeff Cook Real Estate. Spring is officially here, and with the warmer weather comes the time to deep clean your home. Freshen up your home with these helpful tips. One of the hardest spots to clean also happens to collect the most amount of dust: ceiling fans. One trick to cleaning your ceiling fan blades is to fit an old pillowcase around the blade and use it as a dust rag. Did you know we spend around 3,000 hours a year in our beds? To clean your mattress, begin by removing all bedding and vacuuming the surface. Then sprinkle on baking soda and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Let this sit for a few hours, then vacuum the baking soda away. Not only does the baking soda help clean the mattress, it also removes moisture and leaves it smelling fresh. Take the time to deep clean your fridge by cleaning it inside and out. Pull out all of your fridge's interior shelving and wash them with warm soapy water. Then wipe down the surfaces that can't be removed on the inside before putting shelves back in their place. Follow these tips to freshen up your home in time for spring. If you're looking to buy or sell your home, give us a call at 855-HEY-JEFF.